Today in history. 28th May 1999, breezy and sunny, Milan, Italy. Dear Diary, today is such an exciting day that I can barely contain my excitement. I am witnessing a truly significant event here in Milan, Italy. Can you believe it? After a whopping 22 years of restoration work, Leonardo da Vinci's masterpiece, The Last Supper, has finally been put back on display. It's absolutely incredible to be present at this historic moment and see it with my own eyes. The Last Supper is a very famous painting made by Leonardo da Vinci many years ago. It shows Jesus having a special meal with his friends, the disciples, before something sad happened to him. Lots of people come from all over the world to see this painting because it is so special. The painting got old and needed help. It was not looking how it should be, so the experts decided to fix it. They cleaned it and made it look new again. The restoration took a long time, but it was worth waiting for. Today is the day of the big reveal. The experts uncover the painting, and it looks amazing. The colors are bright, and all the details are perfect. I feel so happy to see The Last Supper and be part of this exciting event. My friend Jack's grandparents visited The Last Supper many years ago, before the restoration took place. He mentioned that the painting had suffered some damage back then. However, now it looks as good as new. I can only imagine how elated Jack's grandparents would be upon hearing this news. This event is important because it helps us remember how talented Leonardo da Vinci was. The Last Supper is an important part of art history, and by restoring it, we can keep it safe for many more years. I think people will keep talking about this day and how the Last Supper was made beautiful again. I can't wait to tell my family and friends about everything I saw today. This is an experience I will never forget. I feel so lucky to be here in Milan and witness the restoration of this amazing painting. I wonder what other exciting things will happen in the art world in the future.